City lights glowing, heart softly beating. In the night so quiet, feel the temperature rising. Eyes locked, we're burning, bodies slow dancing. Whispered secrets flowing, love's fire igniting. Got a fire in my veins, burning through these.
What is up, my people? All right. First things first, we're gonna start with. It is Sunday, 7/13, 2025. I hope everyone had a good weekend thus far. We got Monday right around the corner. So we're gonna do my Sunday weekly analysis, what I'm looking forward to next week, all that good stuff. So we're gonna go. First thing first, or I guess second thing, we look at the economic calendar to kind of see where we can expect or anticipate some sort of move. Monday, there's nothing. Tuesday, we got red folders. Wednesday, Thursday, red folders. So next week should be way better than last week. Hopefully, with some kind of movement. All right, this is an hourly. We're gonna go to the daily, and as it sits right now, I'm still favoring shorts, but in order to get down into these daily inefficiencies, we have to get past a few things. This is the new week opening gap from last week. We'll go down to the smaller time frame so we can see that. So this is where last week, Friday, July 4th, where we closed, we opened up on Sunday. And if you see, excuse me, all of that week, we literally used this new week opening gap. Oh my goodness, excuse me. Up over it, premium, discount, equilibrium, discount, premium, came down to a discount or equilibrium, discount, discount. So, like I was saying, in order for us to get down to these higher time inefficiencies that are on the daily, in fact, we'll go through and do that. So this is a daily. I want to get rid of that. Daily Cibi, or I'm sorry, BitC buy side, sell side of balance, meaning sell side has not been delivered to. Daily. I'll change that to a daily. Dilly. Dilly. All right. So this is our daily. And like I said, in order to even consider anything down here, you gotta get past this wick right here. And we'll measure consequent encroachment of this wick. And then this will be my sell side. I'm working in here again. That's if that is correct. We'll go to weekly. Same thing here. And this is why I'm favoring the higher time frame inefficiencies. And that's a weekly. I'll change that to go blue that color. Weekly. So that's our weekly. And then we'll go 1 month. And there's still 18 days in this candle. And as it sits, we got this right here. Not to mention, we have this down here. And we'll go red. Monthly. Again, that's why I am favoring shorts. Not to mention we ran a high. Excuse me. And on a daily. Let's see, these are all these inefficiencies down here. I'm still favoring shorts as the market sits. The only thing that would change that is if we like opened up down here. Like if we opened up down here, and I would be okay, well, oh snaps, wrong button. Control Z. I'd be like, oh yeah, then we definitely should be looking up there. But considering last week we made a new high, we've been going up. Again, I like these higher time frame inefficiencies down here. If we go down to 4 hour, you can see we literally just been range bound. We've literally been sideways. So from high to low as we sit, we're right below equilibrium. Again, I'm favoring these shorts down here into this inefficiency. We wicked into here 1 hour. Again, we went sideways all of up until, was it July 4th? So after the 4th and then the week prior, the week after that. Jeez. Me. All right. So from Thursday, July 3rd up until Friday of last week, we're range bound, we're sideways. Consolidation, and then from consolidation, expansion. But I like these down here. And again, I am short, primarily, not meaning that I won't take a long, because my job is to respond accordingly, not to react, but to respond accordingly. And like I said, I'm favoring these higher time frame inefficiencies on the higher time frames. It's the only real high that we have. Oh no, wrong button. It's the opening range gap from, I think that's Thursday. Thursday. We never traded into. In on regular trading hours, that gap's filled. That's filled. Like I said, the only thing is just down here, man. We still got this too. I'm not saying that's where it's gonna go, and I'm just explaining why I am preferring being short over being long. So again, this would be my first objective. If my bias is correctly, it'd be this down here. 1 day. Oh, I'm sorry, that wouldn't be the first one. Scratch that. So since we're below consequent encroachment of this said wick, or well below it. We're going to measure that wick to this wick. All right, we see that. So my first target would be this. But since it's so close to this, I would say both of these and then working into here. And then after that, I would like to see it work down into here, but that's a low. That's a singular low. But again, we're just gonna see what the market presents us, and that's just how that's what I would like to see as it sits right meow. So again, I'm preferring shorts over the longs. This would be, I would like to see it close below this, then to work down into here, ultimately work into here. But we'll see where we open here in a little bit. What we got? 3 hours. So as it sits right meow, that's what I like to see. I hope everyone had a great weekend. Hope it was productive. Like I say, I hope that you're pursuing and doing what you want to do in some sort of way. Some sort of way. So love and live life, people. Love and live life. Peace.